In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upscale images in Magnific AI Mobile. If you've ever had a great photo that looked a little soft or too small for sharing or printing, upscaling can rebuild detail and boost clarity so it holds up on larger screens. I'll walk you through the exact flow and explain what each option does so you can pick the best settings for your image. Start in the Magnific AI mobile app and head to the AI suite, which you'll find along the bottom of the screen. This is the hub for all the smart tools. From here, choose Upscaler. You'll be prompted to select an image from your device, pick the photo you want to improve, and then decide between the creative and precision approaches. Precision aims to preserve the original look as closely as possible, sharpening and cleaning without changing style. Creative can reconstruct or infer fine detail more boldly, which is great for stylized images or when you want a touch of enhancement beyond simple sharpening. For this walkthrough, choose Creative and select the classic option to keep things balanced and natural. Next, choose your resolution. A moderate increase, like 2x, is usually fast and safe, while higher settings can deliver more detail but may take longer and demand more processing. If you're unsure, start lower, then step up if you need extra crispness. Now pick your preset and adjust the imagination control. Presets bundle recommended tweaks for common looks, while imagination controls how assertively the model fills in or enhances fine features. Keep it lower if you need faithful realism, or raise it slightly for bolder texture and pop. When you're set, tap Enhance. Processing time can vary, so let it run. Staying on the screen helps it finish smoothly. Finally, base your choices on your needs. If the result looks too punchy, lower imagination, or try precision next time. If it feels too subtle, bump the resolution or test another preset within Creative. With these settings, you can dial in clean, detailed upscales that match your style and purpose.